All right, so my last ride was a scheduled ride. Drove about 15 minutes to get there, and I get to it, and it's a gas station employee. Go to and he says, "Hey, give me about 7 minutes." Now the time frame, I arrived on time. There was a time frame for the scheduled pickup, 10 minutes, and he says, "Can you give me 7 minutes after this last customer? I need to close up the shop, and I'll be right out." I'm thinking, cool. I do a little bit of busy work in the car, doing a little spruce up, and time rolls by, and it's ready for cancellation. After about 12 minutes, I had to cut him loose and move on. Sometimes you gotta cut them loose. They will stomp on your time, and they will kill your hourly rate. So I moved on to the next one, and now the next one's a scheduled trip. I'm here. They've communicated on text saying, okay, so supposedly they're on their way, but sometimes you got to cut them loose and move on to the next passenger. We don't sit, we don't wait, we don't go through drive-thrus, and we're not going to sit and wait on you to shop at Walmart. We are a transportation service. You got a 3-minute window on a normal call. On a scheduled call, you got a 10-minute window, and he blew through that 10 minutes. My time is more valuable than that. So we got to move on to paying customers. Sorry about your trouble. Call the next Uber.